Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are gonna check if factory resetting will actually fix the line issue in Samsung Galaxy S21. And this is the usual way we normally reset, so by pressing the power button and the volume up button together. So I ran into an issue here that it wasn't working, so I just wanted to mention that you can skip this part. Yeah, so as you can see, it did not even go to the reset screen. So the right way is you need to have an OTG cable, which is either connected to a laptop or a PC, and make sure you wait until the charging logo pops up, and also make sure your phone is switched off. So then you need to press the power button and the volume button again. Make sure it's volume up button. And yeah, that works. So it goes into the boot menu. So I tried a few other settings by trying to wipe out the cache partition. I'm not sure if that's gonna work, but then might as well give it a shot. So yeah, I started the factory reset and let's hope for the best. To be honest, I don't think this is going to work at all because it doesn't make sense, but then I've seen so many forums and everyone suggesting a factory reset might work. I mean, I didn't want to make people just erase their data by trying this out, so I just wanted to show you guys that it's not gonna work. So the only fix for this is replacing the entire display, which is pretty shit, but yeah. Let me know in the comments if you guys also have this issue, and I'm just curious to see how much lines this phone is going to have by the time it dies. So let me know how many lines you guys have in the comment section as well. So see you guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.
Vamos a ver.